Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to transfer your money from your PayPal account to your Binance account, then this video is for you. First, you have to log into your PayPal account with your login credentials like your email address or phone number and the password. After accessing your PayPal account, you can use the third-party application that actually can help you to transfer your money or convert your real money into cryptocurrency, because Binance only allow depositing the cryptocurrency that you have. So from this, you have to go to the ATM so you can actually convert your cryptocurrency to real money. So here it is. You can find that how you can actually convert your real money to your cryptocurrency. Here you can see get paid globally withdrawal. You can withdraw it. So you can go with the payment method. It actually accepts as the payment method as a PayPal. So you can buy the cryptocurrency from here in this ATM with your real currency, and then you can actually transfer that, or you can simply click on send button or transfer this USDC to your Binance account. So you have to add your Binance account wallet address. Make sure that you have copied your wallet address correctly and paste it correctly, so for avoiding any type of hassle or mistake. So make sure that your Binance account is verified, so it will record verification if any type of withdrawal on Binance. So that's how you can withdraw the cryptocurrency that is actually converted by the real currency which was available on your PayPal account. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.